Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report. Today, foreign institutional investors have sold for 1951 crores. However, the domestic institutions have bought for 612 crore, but this is the first significant selling by FIIs. In fact, last one whole week they've been net buyers, and yesterday they just sold for 100 crore, but today is the first day they've sold almost 2000 crores, and you can see what has happened to the market. And the Bank Nifty broke monthly low. In fact, the monthly low for Bank Nifty future was 33,380, and today morning it went very close to that, within 10 points from 33,380, and then market took support and reversed and moved higher, but in the afternoon that was also broken. Nifty has not broken the monthly low, but today Bank Nifty has broken. In fact, yesterday I discussed the Supreme Court ruling which says that the depositors have to be paid interest on interest, but people have taken loan and the banks cannot charge interest on interest, which is actually negative for banks. But I really don't know why the Bank Nifty went so much yesterday. Sometimes on an event day, the markets may react depending upon the long or short positions in the market rather than the outcome of the event. That is why sometimes you see when a company declares good results, still the price goes down, or sometimes a company declares a bad result, still the prices go up. But that happens on the day of the result, and after that the prices are getting adjusted. So FIIs have taken this as a negative news for banks, and that's why the bank at some point of time, Bank Nifty was down more than 1000 point. Even on a closing basis, it was down about 900 points. And today is Wednesday, and usually every Wednesday is a high volatile market. That is what I've been observing for the past 1 year, and today is no exception. And from the beginning the markets were weak and every intraday rise was sold into. In the afternoon, Europe market opened and they were slightly lower, and in fact today we have hugely underperformed the world markets. Other markets are down, but not so much. There were only 3 stocks ended in green: Cipla, Asian Paint and Power Grid. And Cipla, same reason, when things coronavirus resurgence and this and that, all the pharma stocks are doing well. And Asian Paint, when the crude oil is down, Asian Paint used to do better. Other than that, there's only one more stock, Power Grid. So 47 stocks out of 50 stocks are down, and all the sectoral indices are down except pharma, which is also just about a flat closing only. There won't be any big plus. And India VIX shot up 9% as expected, and I think now India VIX above 20 has become a new normal. And in fact, for more than 3 months I've been waiting for India VIX to crash below 20, to fall below 20. But the way the option prices are moving, I don't think that India VIX will be falling significantly below 20. Nifty was trading around 14,550, and 14,800, 900 call options are trading at 10 rupees and 12 rupees, and 300, 400 point just one day before. Bank Nifty almost 2000 point above, it is trading around 10 rupees. So because of that, the India VIX is not coming down at all, and today it is up by about 9%. By looking at the open interest, of course, when the market is falling vertically like this, people will close their eyes and keep selling the call options. And there was a huge addition of open interest at 14,700 call option and 14,700 and above. So therefore, by looking at the open interest, tomorrow our expiry is likely to be between 14,380 and 14,700. Why 14,380? That is the recent low. Why 14,700? But that is where the huge open interest is added today. Tomorrow, if the market closes somewhere in between, and this will be the first month when Nifty closing in red. September expiry was at 10,800, and October, November, December, January, February, and all the 5 months our market has seen a fantastic rally, and in the month of March it is going to be red. And however, compared to last year March, when the markets crashed 30%, 40%, and this one is just a matter of 4 or 5 percentage point, that is not a big deal. Right now US futures are trading in green, but both US and Indian markets are very famous for throwing surprises after the market open. So let us see how the US market closes, and we will hope for best tomorrow. So hope you have enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. And soon I'll be appearing in the video. Right now I'm still not feeling well, so that is why I'm just recording my voice. Thank you.